How to optimize your press release to boost your SEO. We all know that a press release is a powerful tool for gaining media coverage when you're announcing a new product, a major partnership, or a recent hire. But the benefits don't stop there. With the right strategy, press releases can significantly boost your SEO performance, helping your brand get found online by the right audience at the right time. So, how do you optimize a press release for SEO? In today's video, we will walk you through the key steps to get the most out of your release. Step 1. Start with a newsworthy story. Before diving into keywords or links, begin with your story's foundation. Make sure your press release is newsworthy, relevant, and well-written. The goal? Deliver real value to your readers. Lead with the most important information in the first 250 words, and be sure to answer the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, and why. Craft a compelling headline that captures attention, but don't overload it with information. Focus on the impact and what your audience will care about most. Step 2. Use the right keywords. Incorporating relevant, high search volume keywords is essential for press release SEO. Start by researching keywords that align with your topic. Think like your target audience. Ask yourself, what would they type into Google? Avoid industry jargon and focus on clear, accessible terms. Then weave your chosen keywords naturally into your story. Reinforce your brand using keywords in your broader marketing strategy. Step 3. Master the art of linking. Strategic linking can enhance your SEO and give your audience easy access to more information. But be careful. Links must feel organic and relevant. Use anchor text that clearly describes the destination. For example, if you're linking to a plumbing service page, avoid "click here." Use something like "plumbing services" instead. Stick to 1 to 3 high-quality links, and if you're citing a study or report, always link to the original source. Step 4. Leverage visual content. In a digital world driven by visuals, your press release shouldn't be text only. Research shows content with images or videos gets 94% more views, and infographics can increase web traffic by up to 12%. Include a relevant, high-resolution graphic or infographic that supports your story. And don't forget image SEO. Use descriptive file names and include keywords in the image alt tags and descriptions. Step 5. Add a clear call to action. What do you want your audience to do next? Whether it's visiting a product page, signing up for a newsletter, or attending an event, your call to action should be clear, concise, and benefit-driven. Step 6. Publish on Google News approved sites. Want to maximize visibility? Publish your release on Google News approved platforms. These sites are trusted by Google, increasing the chances your content will rank faster, appear in search results, and even be featured in the top stories carousel. At PRfire, we offer guaranteed publishing across a network of Google News-approved websites, boosting your SEO through high-authority backlinks and expanded visibility. A well-crafted, SEO-optimized press release is more than just an announcement. It's a powerful marketing tool. It can boost traffic, grow awareness, generate leads, and elevate your authority in your industry. Use the tips we've shared today to ensure your next release does more than just make headlines. It makes an impact. Now you're ready to amplify and boost your next press release. Make sure to check out some of our other PR and SEO tips right here. And if you need help getting your next release out there, PRfire is here to help. Visit our website today